Hello, Jeff Wilson with Guaranty RV Supercenters. I'd like to present to you a 2006 Jayco Seneca. We just traded for this one. They've been cleaning up inside, but let's take a look. So this Seneca is a model 34 SS. Looking up front here, we've got the overhead trundle bed. So that's just going to pull out nice and make an extra sleeping area. And then we don't have a TV here right now, but you could do it a forward TV in the entertainment area. And very nice in the cockpit. This coach does come with the level up kit. So easy to use level up jacks. This is on a 5500 Kodiak chassis, so it's going to have a Duramax and an Allison in it. Back here, nice Berber, kind of an upgrade carpeting in this coach. And then real nice queen bed slide out. Big wardrobe if you come back and take a look in here. Nice big hanging closet. And then still an entertainment center here in the bedroom. So we've got some big full length drawers. Nice. And then in the potty area. And they've given plenty of room in there. And then a nice big corner shower too. So plenty of room. Excuse the dirt, we are still cleaning up in here. And we've got another little bit of area in here for storage. Side ducted heat coming out in the bathroom. And then a table and chairs for easy dining, plus theater seating here in the lounge area. So to the kitchen, see how we're doing in storage here. Oh, good under sink storage. And then nice big pull out drawers. Extra big drawer here. And same thing on the top side. So they've gone away from the LP gas cook oven. But it does have the microwave and convection combination oven for cooking. And then a little bit more overhead storage here. Plus for plates and glasses right over the sink. And that's a nice deep basin in there. Refrigerator. So good room in the fridge. We're probably looking at an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. RV fridge, so it's going to be propane or 110. And then a pantry area with some more nice pull-out drawers. So easy access, plus there's room under that drawer for more. And another little storage cubby right there. So excellent storage, air conditioned with overhead ducting. It's a full body paint coat, so it's going to hold this really nice look for its life. Your awning setup is a full length power awning, so easy to operate. That's going to be push button, that's going to come out. And then storage boxes. Nice room there. Big propane. So it's got a few years on it, but it's got a lot of life left in it. And if you're interested in a good hauler, this one you can get a better towing capacity out of the Duramax Allison. Great RV for getting you around and lots of camping left in it. If you're interested, please give me a call at the number listed below. And again, I'm Jeff Wilson with Guaranty RV Supercenters.